I have welded the collar onto the axle. So in previous episodes you've seen this collar sliding around. Now it's welded. I'm not overly worried about that. It's strong enough. It may not be the prettiest weld, but it's easily strong enough to prevent the wheel from sliding down that way. And same there. There is what I called my spring foot plate. So that's not the spring welded to the frame. That's that little sliver that just widens the amount of steel that the spring comes into contact with, so it's not just held in the middle by the frame. Lovely afternoon of flat wheeling and filing to make these corners just nice, so nothing's catching on your hand, no bits of weld sticking out, so on. It's all, and I just couldn't get these. I don't think any. You couldn't have bent them. They had to be done like this to be able to go around the box. If I'd have put them in a bender, the radius would never have. Well, it isn't a radius, is it? It's just a. Put a bit of an angle on the spring there, so that's not catching anyone's leg. Probably will do anyway, but you shouldn't cut into it. It's nice. It's all, what's the word, ergonomic, something like that. By the time it's got a coat of paint on it on top as well, it should be good. And I hope that would talk to anyone who's worried when I say things like, oh, you know, it's not the prettiest weld in the world, but oh, it doesn't matter. I hope that would fight off any fears anyone had of me just being slapdash, not bothered. I am bothered. It does come out nice. And I haven't removed the weld, I've just filed them a bit flatter because my weld's got good penetration on them, so it's plenty strong enough and tidy. Very happy with that. I would have put the wheel on to show you first, but I've got to change the tyre on it. The axle's ready to go on, but there's no point until I've got the wheel on as well. Then we're joining it onto the bike next time.